On February 22nd, 2024, Nvidia stock was trading at $780. That was before Nvidia enabled a 10-for-1 stock split. That day, Philip Panaro, a senior advisor at Boston Consulting Group, based in Boston, Massachusetts, predicted that Nvidia would hit $5,000 per share by 2030. 2030 was still 6 years away, but only after 4 months of his prediction, on June 20, 2024, Nvidia hit $140 per share, that is $1,400 per share, post-stock split value adjusted. Now Phil Panaro is at it again. Recently, Panaro predicted that the Nvidia stock, which is currently trading at $121, will hit the $800 mark by 2030. That is a 560% upside from Nvidia's stock price today. Panaro has more than 25 years of experience implementing large-scale digital transformations in Fortune 500 firms. He is the founder of Boston Consulting Group, Platinian North America and Latin America. He has developed several consulting businesses from scratch and helped them become global powerhouses in the financial sector. He connects Nvidia to the rise of Web 3.0 and says that Nvidia's Blackwell architecture will help the semiconductor designer to earn at least 10% share of the $10 trillion AI market in 2030. Panaro suggests that Nvidia's Blackwell architecture will further reinforce the company's dominance in generative AI, bringing it at least $600 billion in the year 2031. Nvidia's value is not in the chip, he says. It is in the intelligence that goes into the chip to make it unique. If Nvidia has to become an $800 stock, its market cap has to rise to $20 trillion. That is a hefty 6-time increase from its current market cap of $3 trillion. That sounds like a lot of money. Some will say such a valuation is insane, as we see Nvidia trading sideways for the last few months. Where will so much money come from? Nvidia has to be double of BlackRock, which owns almost everything and more. Besides, there are trade wars, market sell-offs, elections, and the limit of AI as an industry. Can we politely state that nobody predicted before COVID-19 that Nvidia would rise over 2,700% in the following 5 years? But that is exactly what happened, even considering Nvidia's current price, which is about 15% below its all-time high. Technological advancement creates wealth. Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia command an approximate market cap of $10 trillion today. Where did this huge amount come from? Forget Amazon, Tesla, and Facebook. Bitcoin or Ethereum deniers said the same thing a few years ago. They did not see the multi-trillion-dollar cryptocurrency market coming. The world was ready for crypto, but some analysts were not. The truth is, the way money is being devalued constantly, a $20 trillion market cap will not sound that weird in 2030. The question is if, as an investor, you will live in 2024 in the year 2030. If Nvidia does not rise 560% by 2030, since the competition will be far more fierce than now in the AI industry shortly, it may still become a $10 trillion company, offering its investors a considerable return of over 300%. Historically speaking, the S&P 500 will not rise 300% in the next 6 years. There are not many ideas in the market that will offer you such a massive return. And to do that, Nvidia will not need to be even a $500 stock. Nvidia is a growth stock, needs only 2 exceptional quarters to reach that historic milestone.